Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you curious about health and wellness beyond the traditional doctor's office? Then you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of alternative medicine. Did you know that the alternative medicine industry is a global powerhouse worth over $7 billion and growing exponentially every year? It's huge. But what exactly is alternative medicine? Think of it as a holistic approach. Health coaches use it to guide people towards optimal well-being, using a wide variety of techniques to address the whole person, mind, body, and spirit. Let's explore some of the most popular ones. First up, we have traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. This is one of the oldest treatment systems in the world, originating in China 3,000 to 4,000 years ago. TCM focuses on qi, also sometimes referred to as qi. This is believed to be an internal life force that flows through the body. Maintaining a healthy flow of qi is key to wellness in TCM. And speaking of wellness, did you know that the global wellness industry, which includes TCM and other alternative therapies, is estimated to be worth a staggering $1.5 trillion, and is projected to grow at 5 to 10% each year. Wow! Next, let's travel to India to explore Ayurveda. Ayurveda is another ancient system of medicine, dating back over 5,000 years. Ayurveda translates to science of life and longevity. It focuses on balancing the body's energies to promote health and prevent disease. Think about this. The average American medical bill is already high, and it's only going to get higher. One of the beautiful things about alternative medicine is its potential to reduce health costs by focusing on prevention and holistic care. Now, let's talk about meditation. Meditation is an ancient technique with Eastern origins, all about achieving deep mental peace and physical relaxation. The key elements: a quiet place, a comfortable body position, a focus of attention like the breath, and an open and accepting attitude. And it's not just for gurus anymore. Workplace meditation programs are rapidly rising in popularity. 80% of all U.S. employers with over 1,000 employees are offering meditation sessions to combat stress and anxiety. It's becoming mainstream. Moving on to yoga. Yoga focuses on the connection between mind and body, originating in ancient India. It's a combination of physical postures, breathing techniques, and relaxation. And the demand is growing. Labor statistics show a significant increase in healthcare workers' focus on preventive health, a trend likely fueled by the growing interest in yoga, healthy eating, and other lifestyle practices. Let's finish our tour with acupuncture. This is an ancient technique by selecting and stimulating the right points, known as qi. So, are you feeling inspired? You can even study alternative medicine and become an integrative health coach, yoga teacher, nutritionist, and more. The possibilities are vast. Alternative medicine offers a diverse range of approaches to improve our health and well-being. Whether it's TCM, Ayurveda, meditation, yoga, or acupuncture, there's something for everyone to explore. Thanks for joining me on this journey into alternative medicine. What are your thoughts? Have you tried any of these techniques? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness. See you next time.